Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Avijit here, and welcome to Devops Challenge Hub. So, let's have a look at today's interview question. And today's interview question is, what are Kubernetes network policies? So, as usual, I will first explain the concept, and after that, we'll see a small demo so that your concepts are clear. And at the end, we will have some quiz where you can participate in the quiz and try along with me so that your concepts will be further reinforced. Okay. So let's start. What are Kubernetes network policies? So Kubernetes network policies are like firewall rules for your pods. So they can control who can talk to whom in the cluster at the network level. They are 3 and 4. So by default, all pod can talk to other pods. Right? In the node, all pods can talk to each other. But in production, that will be risky because for security reason, you need to isolate the sensitive pod or block unnecessary traffic, right? Or enforce security and compliance. So mainly 3 reasons: isolate sensitive pods, block unnecessary traffic, and enforce security and compliance. So what is the in the components of a network policy? We have pod selector, where we select the pods the policy applies to. Ingress, which says that who can send the traffic into selected pods. Egress controls where the selected pods can send the traffic to. Egress out, ingress into. And namespace selector allows traffic from specific namespaces. And ports you can allow and block traffic to specific ports. So let's have a look at the demo. Here we have pods. I have already created a kind cluster. And here I have backend pod using http 𝐤𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐞𝐬, HashiCorp http 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐞𝐬. Then I have its port is 8080. Then we have a front end pod. Image is busybox, and it will be that sleep command will be running for 1 hour. And there is a random pod. Random pod is again it's a busybox image. Okay. So all are like pod and random pod, front end pod, and back end pod we have here in the pods.yml. And now I will deploy all this pod kubectl apply -f pods yml. Okay, pods got created. Now I can see the status of the pod. kubectl get pods. Pending. Okay, pending running. So one started. Okay, it's taking some time to start. Let's wait. Okay, all of them are running now. Okay, so let's get inside this pod, random pod. kubectl exec kubectl exec -it random -sh. So I'm inside random pod. Before random pod, I have to see the backend pod IP. So kubectl describe pods and backend. So IP is 10.244.0.11. 10.244.0.11. And now let's get inside the random pod. From random pod, I will try to ping this backend pod. So I'm able to ping now. So it's able to ping. Now I don't want random pod to know that there is a backend pod exists. I have to block it. So I have created a network policy. So in this policy, kind network policy, pod selector is backend, match level backend pod selector. Policy type is ingress from front end. So only from front end traffic will be allowed to backend. So only from front end traffic will be allowed to backend. So front end will talk to backend. Some random pod won't be able to talk. So let's apply this now. Apply -f, and now so I applied the network policy. Now network policy. So I will try to get it now. QCTL gate network policy. Yes, it's allow front end, app backend. This policy is now there in the network. It's set. Now I will again get inside the random pod. I will get inside. I got inside the random pod. Now I will try to ping. Last time I was able to ping. Now I should not be able to ping now. Yes, you can see that it's stuck. It's not able to ping. Right. So this is this is the way we can apply network policy. Now from front end, if I log into the if I get into the terminal of front end command line, then I'll be able to ping backend. But random is not random pod cannot access the backend. Okay. So let's have a look at the quiz. By default, Kubernetes allows only front-end pods to talk to backend pods, all pods to talk to all other pods. So by default, Kubernetes allows all pods to talk to all other pods. In a fresh Kubernetes cluster with no network policies, all pods can talk to each other. Next question is, why are network policies important in production? They reduce RAM usage, they help isolate sensitive pods and block unnecessary traffic. So that is the answer B. Network policies are used to enforce security and limit unnecessary communication. The answer is B. Next question is, which component controls incoming traffic in a network policy? Which component controls incoming traffic in a network policy? Incoming traffic is controlled by ingress. Okay. Ingress depends who can send traffic into selected pods. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow my LinkedIn page, Devops Challenge Hub, where I post quiz and organize contest and post quiz daily. And you can also follow my WhatsApp channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you again in the next video.